Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. Any day above and not under y'all is a blessed day. Come on, y'all help me sing. We're gonna mukbang. Welcome back, y'all, to another mukbang eating show. Y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video out with your family, friends. Sharing is caring, y'all. Okay, so today, it's a little, I say a shrimp boil because it's only a few little pieces of crab legs up in here. So it's a shrimp boil today, y'all. And also, I forgot who told me, they said, darn, you need to make a darn good sauce. Call it a darn good sauce. Cynthia. So shout out to my girl, Cynthia. She told me. So I finally came up with it, but I'm not going to share it yet with y'all. So this is the darn good sauce. It's all drenched down in there. I know she did not forget the lemon. You forgot everything that I gave you, right? Where is that? I don't see it. I see none of what I gave you and asked you to bring up except for a glass. I have some Coke, y'all. Like, can you get it? Hey y'all, I'm back. Okay. Excuse me, y'all. All right, so let's get to this. You know what? Let me do that because you know how you gotta. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. How was everyone's day? Hope everybody is having a marvelous day. Oh, I don't have any lemons, but I have lemon juice. So I never use the lemons. Well, with the sauce is good, so I don't really need no lemon, but y'all, I don't have too much butter in this sauce, I can tell y'all that, but I do have butter in there. Shoshana was like, "Ooh, it smells so good, Ma. You want to taste it? I'm good." I ain't give y'all none. I'm sorry. That one's sweet. What you want? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna give you a little stack.
I got a stack, y'all. What you doing to my potato?
I'm about to give you all my potato.
You about to step to Tasha?
I'm about to step in Tasha.
No. Who is it? Is it stuff?
Yeah, it's stiff.
It's that always stacking her potatoes.
Potatoes. She's stacking with everything.
Everything. Like a loaded potato overload.
Yep, but you're only getting a shrimp.
Wow. That's so ghetto.
Get what? Whew.
You didn't pick this now.
My hand is busy right now.
Hey, cousin. Very tired right now.
Tell her we all tired. Sorry. Y'all out here grinding, right, fam? We all gotta be grinding. Workflow, whatever kind of flow. Huh? And the salt, it's not salty. No, baby. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Huh? It tastes so like me. Yep. What? You talking about give me some more? Give you some? Oh, leave you some. Girl. I'm thirsty, y'all. I'm thirsty. Leave me alone. Y'all. Oh. Y'all know it's been a minute since I did any kind of boil. Which, I know. Yeah, I just been mukbanging. My burping fam, they loving the burping video. I will not be taking that long again to give y'all what y'all need. And if I am, just call me out on it. Y'all, there you go. Y'all, I won't even tell y'all what's in there till I'm ready to put it out. I will not make the same mistake twice.
Yeah.
And I just made enough for me. I I made enough for me. I didn't make a lot. I just made enough for me. Cause I'm asking them what y'all want to eat. Nobody want to say. I'm asking. I'm like, what y'all want to eat? What y'all want to eat? I don't know. I said, okay, fine. Y'all, this tastes so daggone good. This is like, I'm eating like a savage. Take a bite of that. I can't tell you it's spicy. Y'all want an egg? Here y'all go. Get it. You got it. Get that little leg out the way. Mm-hmm. Fire. Y'all, woo! That spice just got to. What?
Stop being so greedy then.
Ooh. It's spicy. Ooh. Ooh. That just brought tears to my eyes. You know how you sucking on it and the juice went down the wrong something. I don't know where it went. But it kind of went up in my nose a little bit. Oh my God, that's horrible. This daggone soda so flat. Ooh, wait y'all. Oh my God. Let me not use that and wipe. Ooh. A fly came in here. Oh no, where they do that at? I don't like them things. Oh my word, y'all. Oh. I was killing that. I was eating too fast. Ooh. Thing tastes good though. Oh my God. Ooh. found a few of these in the freezer. I'm like, okay, this will work. Ooh, I got it. Ooh. Excuse me, y'all. Oh, excuse me. That crab leg miss, mama. Yeah, I don't know. Well, this shit about made me cuss. Somebody must have opened up the daggone door. I need a fly swatter. I can't deal with no damn flies. Yeah. I ain't leaving none in there. Oops, I got it. Oh, Shoshana, you be so proud of me, girl. I've been getting these legs out. Good. Yes. This is my second one. And I need it to cooperate. Y'all see that? Mama did that. I did that. This is where we have problems. Should do a story time, but I honestly just want to eat my food. Got that sucker out of there. Fell on the floor. This the one that was rude. Ooh, y'all want another bite? Take a bite. Mm. Oops. Excuse me. Shoshana, you heard that? No. You're gonna have to delete that. I know. The hell with it. Hmm? What? I just said excuse me. You want me to say it? No? Yeah, this is good. I miss this. Huh? What? I can't hear you. Stop talking to me. She talking about me. I don't care right now. Like I told y'all, I should be doing a story time, but that ain't gonna work right now. That ain't gonna work. I wanna eat. Today I'm driving, I'm like, man, I really just need to start doing ASMR videos. Sometimes I don't feel like talking. Well, ooh-wee. Hey. My eyes. I'm demolishing this seafood. I've been cooking, y'all. I've been cooking. What you say, what? Now stop talking to me, please. Let me and the seafood enjoy each other. It's been a minute. They've been good to me. These crab legs. Been so good to me. They've been coming out like they should. Not in pieces, but this one want to act a fool, but it's okay. I swear, this video got a little bit of everything, y'all. Hell no. I don't know. Some of y'all gonna be happy and some of y'all gonna be mad. Life is what it is. Can't please everybody. I keep singing this song. Okay. Y'all, I just been hurting myself. Like, what? For real? That shit sharp as hell. Stick the shit out of me. Oh. This finger right here, I've been, ooh. Y'all don't know what we've been going through. I heard it the other day and I just been, man. Say what? That's it for me today, y'all. Y'all have a blessed evening. Love y'all. Hold up.